All right, y'all. Welcome to week 5 of online learning. By the end of this week, we're going to be into May. So that's how quickly the end of the year is coming up. So don't forget, you have these projects you should be working on every single week. The workload in this class is really light from week to week, but that's because I'm giving you time to work on these projects. Don't wait until the last minute. Okay, so this week we do have our tutorials coming up Thursday, 1 and 2 p.m. So the first thing you need to do this week is sign up with this Google form I had linked here. It's going to look like this. Okay, you're just going to pick a time, Thursday 1 p.m., Thursday 2 p.m. And then on which subject do you plan to complete your TRF? I also moved the tutorial request form that I had assigned last week in week 4 to this week's online learning week 5. It's the exact same assignment, so you've already turned in your TRF. It's already attached there. Don't worry about that. Okay, but if you haven't, tutorial request form is here in a PDF and a Google Docs form. I don't care which one you turn it in as, either one is fine. Okay, need to have that in by that Thursday so I can look through it, check it before we actually go into the tutorial. Okay. On Thursday, I'll send out a Zoom link on Google Classroom and probably on text messages as well that you'll join, and I'll have you in separate tutorials, no more than 7 people, okay? And I put all my AVID students, both classes, into this Google form. So you may be mixed in with some hour 5 and some hour 7, okay? Just to make it easier to have everybody involved in as many groups as possible. Remember, you need to do 2 of these tutorials on that Wicker Bingo card in order to have a blackout. So this is the first opportunity. Next week we'll have another one. All right. Another thing we'll have for this week is the discussion board. Where are you in the process of completing the free choice project? What's been the most difficult part so far? Answer both questions in full and then respond to at least 2 sentences to another student for full points. Okay. The last thing you have is the Wicker Bingo check-in. Turn in your updated Wicker Bingo card with X's or blacked out, and then with evidence of whatever activities you did this week. If you already turned in a Wicker Bingo card last week with some activities done, you don't have to turn in that evidence again. Just whatever evidence of the activities you did this week. That way it's spread out across the semester. Okay? If you have any questions, send me a message and remind, email me. Look forward to talking with you guys on Thursday.